This is how to make banana swirl.
First step, wash your hands. You need 1 banana per serving, some milk, and some vanilla extract. You can also add whipped cream. First, you peel the bananas. Next, you cut up the bananas into small pieces and put it in a bowl. Then, you add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract per serving. Next, you put it in a blender.
Next, put a little less than 1/2 of a cup of milk into the blender. Lastly, blend a few ice cubes. Lastly, put it into a bowl or a cup.
And enjoy!